Ultimate Guitar versus Songsterr is an essential comparison for guitar enthusiasts. Choosing the right guitar app can completely change how you learn and play without the frustration of complicated interfaces. Let's explore both options. Ultimate Guitar and Songsterr are two popular guitar apps, each offering unique features. Ultimate Guitar focuses on an extensive library of tabs and chords, while Songsterr emphasizes real-time playback and a more interactive learning experience. Ultimate Guitar is a comprehensive platform for guitar players, featuring millions of tabs, chords, and a vast community of users. It operates on a freemium model, allowing users to access basic features for free while offering a subscription for premium content. The app includes tools like a tuner, metronome, and a built-in player for learning songs. One of its strengths is the extensive user-generated content, providing a wide variety of songs across genres. However, it can be overwhelming for beginners due to the sheer volume of options. Ideal users are those looking for a rich library and community support, making it a go-to choice for serious guitarists. Songsterr is designed for guitarists seeking an interactive learning experience. It offers a large collection of tabs with the added benefit of real-time playback, allowing users to hear how the song should sound as they learn. The app features a simple interface that makes navigation easy, particularly for beginners. Songsterr operates on a freemium model as well, with a subscription option for additional features like offline access and a loop function for practicing difficult sections. Its strength lies in the instant feedback it provides, helping users learn at their own pace. However, it may have fewer songs compared to Ultimate Guitar, which could be a limitation for some. Ideal users are those who prefer a more hands-on approach to learning. When comparing Ultimate Guitar and Songsterr, consider your learning style. Ultimate Guitar excels with its extensive library, making it ideal for users who want a wide range of tabs and community interaction. On the other hand, Songsterr's real-time playback feature offers an interactive learning experience perfect for beginners who benefit from hearing the music as they practice. If you enjoy learning through a large selection of songs and community support, Ultimate Guitar is the better choice. However, if you prefer a more guided approach with instant feedback, Songsterr may suit you better. Both apps have their strengths, so your choice will depend on your specific needs as a guitarist. For those seeking a vast library and community engagement, Ultimate Guitar is the clear recommendation. If you prefer an interactive learning experience with real-time playback, Songsterr is the app for you. Both have unique advantages, so choose based on your learning style and enjoy your guitar journey.